The environmental cost of data processing is a topic that warrants our attention. In the heart of our digital economy, beneath the surface of AI, machine learning, predictive analytics, and business intelligence, there lies a hidden yet substantial source of carbon emissions we call the Murky Middle. This obscure phase of the data lifecycle represents a series of data transformations and transfers, or more simply, hops, that occur between the initial data source and its ultimate utilization. Think of it as a relay race, where data is the baton being passed from one point to another. On average, data undergoes 15 such handovers, or hops. In industries like banking, where capital is not such a constraint, this number can skyrocket to a whopping 100 or more. Now here's the catch. Around 80% of these data movements are redundant. Even in the remaining 20%, there's likely room for improvement. This inefficiency is what we at Greeen Data define as dirty data, leading to significant yet overlooked carbon emissions. As sustainability becomes a cornerstone for investor decisions and executive remuneration, it's high time we shine a spotlight on the carbon emissions across the entire data lifecycle. This shift is underscored by studies suggesting that a quarter of a CIO's remuneration could soon be tied to sustainability metrics, and reports indicating that a staggering 80% of investors consider environmental, social, and governance factors in their investment decisions. In this context, the Murky Middle, known for its significant carbon intensity, stands out as a pivotal area for intervention. To effectively integrate sustainability metrics into investment and salary structures, it's crucial to fully acknowledge and address the emissions emanating from this often overlooked phase of data processing. The Murky Middle plays a crucial, yet often disregarded role in the dialogue surrounding environmental sustainability. The environmental cost of the intermediary processes remains underexplored. This segment, integrating people, process, and technology, is pivotal. However, while process and technology are considered in carbon footprint assessments, this typically happens after data processing, sidelining the substantial activities within the Murky Middle. To bring this into perspective, consider this. The high energy consumption of cloud-based workloads, especially in machine learning training, is equated to the emissions of 125 round-trip flights from New York to Beijing. This comparison brings to light the overlooked environmental impact of the Murky Middle, where myriad data transformations and transfers, or hops, occur. These processes likely equating to thousands of such flights in carbon emission terms. In conclusion, it's clear that the Murky Middle of the data lifecycle, with its high carbon intensity, is a significant environmental concern. Addressing this issue requires a multi-pronged approach, including optimization of data flows, promotion of sustainable data practices, people-based productivity enhancement, and comprehensive carbon footprint measurement. By tackling the Murky Middle, we create a more sustainable, data-driven future.